So if you're confused about Desmos Screen 2, so this is the first problem, but it's on the second screen. This is where you should be. You're watching this video after you used your own notes and tried to solve the problem by yourself. As we're going through this problem, make sure you're following along with me, pausing the video as needed, not just watching me complete this or solve this problem, and then you go back and try to solve it. Let's work together through this. Also, if you do not have Desmos scientific calculator open, we will need that as well. Okay, so screen 2. I've got my inequality here. I need to solve the inequality. I also need to type to graph my inequality on the number line. So think about actually covering up the left and the right side. So you have a left piece, a right piece, and this piece in the middle. Whatever we do to the middle, we have to do to the left and to the right. So just think about this middle piece for a second. If my goal is to get x by itself, the first thing that I have to do is get rid of this positive 11. And to get rid of the positive 11, I have to subtract 11 from the left, the right, and the middle. So I'm subtracting 11 from all sides of this inequality. So these 11s are going to cancel out. Now this is if you need Desmos, you should have it up. We've got negative 57 minus 11, negative 57 minus 11, which leaves me with a negative 68, bringing the inequality sign down. And then I've got negative 79 minus 11. So negative 79 minus 11 gives me negative 90. Perfect. So now if my goal is to get x by itself, again, can't do that. We're looking at just this middle piece. If I wanted to get x by itself, I know that this is multiplication happening. To undo or get rid of multiplication, I have to divide. So I'm dividing by negative 2 on all parts of this inequality, the left, the right, and the middle. So these negative 2's are going to cancel out. Now I've got negative 68 divided by negative 2, which leaves me with a positive 34. I'm going to come over to my other side. I've got negative 90 divided by negative 2. So negative 90 divided by negative 2 gives me a positive 45. And then this x just comes down. Notice I haven't written my inequality signs yet. Because we divided by a negative 2, we have to flip our inequality sign. So they're going to be facing the other direction. And then that's the solution to this inequality. Pause the video, make sure your paper or your notes looks like my screen. And then we're going to graph this inequality. So I have 34 is less than x is less than 45. So I'm going to find 34 on my number line. My circle stays open because I have a less than sign, not less than or equal to. I'm going to find 45 on my number line. Again, the circle's staying open because of my inequality sign. And then I'm just going to draw a line connecting these two. And this is our solution graph.